Good afternoon, everyone. So today's my last day in Devon. Going to be heading back home today after spending a week at my grandparents' house. It was nice catching up with some family in Devon, as I hadn't seen them actually since December 2019 because of the pandemic. So yeah, it was definitely nice to get away and see the beach as well, which you would have seen in my last vlog if you saw it. So yeah, going to be heading home today, so going to be taking you on my train journey home. The train journey itself usually takes 2 hours 15 minutes, but it's going to take an extra hour as there's rail works at Bristol Templemead Station. I'm not really bothered though, because I'm travelling first class going back. In fact, a lot of Brits I know don't seem to know this, but see, a lot of Brits do like to moan about our trains, but at the same time, I don't think they realise how lucky Britain is with their trains. One reason as to why I think that is because we've got an app called Seatfrog which you can download to your phone, and with that app you can upgrade to first class on any service with first class, or most services with first class, for a minimum of just £5. So it works like an auction. So when the auction starts, you can place a starting bid of a minimum of £5, and if it's a more busy service, like the West Coast route, that is a very popular service, then the chances are you could get other people bidding on your first class upgrades, but the service I'm getting, it tends to be quite quiet in first class, so I've been lucky again. So coming here, I got it the upgrade for just £5, there's no one else bid, and same going back, as no one else bid either, and that saves an awful lot of money, because if I was to pay the full amount for a first class upgrade, that would have been £95. Sure, our train are overpriced in Britain, as train travel is very popular in this country, but we do have advance tickets which can save up to 70%, depends on the journey. And also, as I mentioned, we've got Seatfrog, which allows you to upgrade to first class for a minimum of £5, so that's something I definitely feel lucky for. But yeah, I shall take you on the train journey. Okay, so I'm now waiting for my train. This is Tiverton Parkway station. It's quite a nice station actually, nice and quiet. Definitely a lot quieter than my local stations. The time now is 36 minutes past, so got 5 minutes till my train arrives. I will be getting some free food and drink on the train as I'm travelling first class, as I mentioned, but I did treat myself to a few other snacks. Definitely can't live without Red Bull. I do have a bit of an addiction to Red Bull, but I do try to limit it to no more than 1 can a day now. But yeah, see you on the train. Okay, so on the train now.
This is staff announcement. The train manager in front empty. That's the next group door. Thank you.
Yep, on the train now. Bit disappointed it's not the HST like it usually is at this time, as that is one of my favourite trains in Britain. We're on the Voyager. Voyager's not too bad actually, a reliable train and comfy, but I do much prefer the HST, but I am gutted that they're going to disappear from Britain by 2024. But it's quite a nice journey as well, lots of nice views on the way home. It's the longest train journey in Britain actually, because it runs all the way from Devon up to Scotland. Of course I'm not travelling that far though. But yep. back to Birmingham New Street, so changing here for the second train back home, so I'll see you back home shortly. So now I've just got back home after a long journey. Whole journey, the taxi, the train, and then another train took, let me think, almost 5 hours, because the taxi took an hour when it's only meant to take between 35 to 45 minutes because of slow traffic. But I'm thankful to be home now. I'm about to watch a friend's vlog, also edit the previous vlog on my laptop. But if you like the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to me, go check out my other social media, links will be down below.